Hi everybody, day 2 of my 2-week challenge, and it's another glorious day, so I'm back out and I'm going to be walking again. I haven't got my tam on today, it's a little bit, yeah, it really did me yesterday keeping my tam on, so no tam today, just let the air flow. Anyway, let's run this intro and let's get on with it. So what we're going to talk about today? Well, as I said yesterday, doing a lot of exercise means I'm going to be washing my hair quite a lot. And the question is, generally speaking, how often should you wash your hair? Now in the summer, I tend to wash my hair about once every 2 weeks, every week and a half. And in the winter, every 2 to 3 weeks. But when it's like this, your head gets sweaty, you know, your head starts to itch and everything like that. So it needs washing at least once a week. When you're exercising and you're doing a lot of walking, a lot of sweating, you need to wash your hair a lot more than that. I'm at the moment going to be washing my hair more or less, well, every other day. I'm not going to do it every day, but I'm going to be doing it more or less every day. I washed it yesterday when I'd finished exercising. I probably won't wash it today because it's going to be fairly late when I get in. But I'm going to exercise fairly early tomorrow morning, and then I'm going to head home, hit the shower and wash my hair. I'm not saying I don't hit the shower anyway, I do, but I just don't wash my hair, otherwise I'd, you know, be a bit whiffy like. So that's the idea. Now I say that I normally wash my hair every week and a half or so, but a couple of weeks ago I had an incident where I had to wash my hair twice in 2 days. I'd gone away for a couple of days with some friends, and we were up on the east coast, up near Newcastle, and I'd got myself this big ice cream, massive thing, and I'm eating it, and there's loads of seagulls around and everything, because like I say, we're on the coast. And I'd just finished my ice cream, and I think these seagulls must have been really, really pissed with me that I didn't give them any. Just hang on a sec. Can't beat a bit of coffee. I'm not saying where I got it from, but anyway. So the seagull must have been really, really pissed at me because I didn't give it any of my coffee. And he dive bombed me and let go with a bomb. And the bomb hit me squarely on the head. I've got, how can I put this politely? I've got seagull shit in my hair, all down here, all down the side of my face, running down my glasses, running down here and off my chin and all down my t-shirt. And although I'm laughing now, I was saying to my friends, give me a tissue, give me a tissue. And the rotten sods were rolling around on the floor laughing. And I'm going, oh, it's on my glasses, it's going all down my face, I just want to keep it away from my mouth. Get me a tissue. And the buggers just laughed and did nothing, didn't help at all. So, what do you reckon to that for friendship? Yeah, I don't know. I was really upset about it. I mean, I can see the funny side now. If it had been one of my friends that had been bombed by a seagull, I'd have been there with a tissue, like after 10 minutes rolling around on the floor, laughing I suppose. But yeah, it's funny now, but it weren't funny at the time. See main I put my teeth back in. See main task, why didn't I wash my hair last night when I got in? The only problem I've got is if I wash my hair at night or late in the afternoon, no matter how warm the weather is, because my dreads are so thick, it just doesn't dry in time before I go to bed. and then I'm going to bed with damp hair. And the problem with going to bed with damp hair is you get that wet dog smell if you do it on a regular basis. So that's why I didn't wash my hair. So you might ask, why aren't I going to wash my hair tonight? Why am I going to leave it after going out and sweating? And the problem is that, yeah, I'm sweating, my hair's a bit sweaty, but if I wash my hair tonight when I get in, it's probably going to be about 6 o'clock-ish when I get in. That means I'm going to bed with damp hair, and I don't want to go to bed with damp hair. I want to go to bed with dry hair, not wet hair, because I don't want that wet dog smell. Okay, so make sure that I've got time to dry my hair. I mean, even on a day like today, because my dreads are that thick, they take so long to dry. Even using a hairdryer, I need to wash my hair fairly early. So when I finish my exercise tomorrow morning, go home, give it a wash, and that'll be a wash every 2 days, which will do me. The only thing I'm bothered about is washing it too much, and I've got quite a few loose hairs at the moment. I just want to know whether it's going to make them even looser, which I'm a bit worried about, or whether it's going to pull them in a bit tighter. Time will tell. If you watched yesterday's video, I forgot to put my weight down here. So I'll do it today. I'll put yesterday's weight and today's weight so you can see how much I've lost. I know it's a dreadlock video, but just want to see what kind of weight loss I've done over the last couple of days. As for my diet, at the moment I'm fasting. I'm on day 2 of a fast. I've not eaten since about 8 p.m. Sunday night, and it's now just coming up to 1 o'clock on Tuesday. My record for fasting is 5 days. I'm hoping I'm going to be able to beat that, get rid of some of this fat flab, and then gently build up the food that I'm taking. So I know that a lot of people don't like the idea of fasting, or a lot of people don't think it's a good idea, but it works for me. So that's what I'm doing at the moment. Anyway, off on my walk, and I will see you in a bit when I get back, and we'll have a little discussion on how it's gone. It's bloody hot today. So see you in a little bit. Bye. Well, that's a walk around the lake done today. 5 minutes faster than yesterday. I'm absolutely lathered. I've got the River Trent running down the middle of my back. I'm that hot. So I'm going to go home now and have a shower and chill for a little bit before I go and get some more work done. Anyway, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe, and he's a bit low, that aeroplane. Yeah. Anyway, please subscribe, ring the old bell for the notification, whichever side it is. Never get the bloody thing right. I will see you, hopefully, in tomorrow's video. See you soon. Bye.